Hello? What happened? Mom is sick? Is she okay? Oh no. That sounds serious. I'm really worried.
What happened, honey? You look really sad.
My mom is in the hospital, and I'm really worried.
I understand. I think we should go visit her together.
We need to take a plane. We must tell the children.
It will be okay.
I hope so.
I think Mom is sad. Why?
We are going to visit Grandma.
We will take an airplane.
Yeah! So cool! That's exciting. Are we flying? I love airplanes. I want the window seat.
Come on, kids, we have to pack the suitcases.
Okay, Mom. Okay.
Why not tell the children about grandmother?
I don't want to stress them before the plane.
Okay, I understand.
It's better this way.
Wow, there are 4 suitcases. Red, yellow, purple. I love the purple one. Me too.
Why so many suitcases?
For all our things.
One big suitcase is better.
Okay, maybe. Let's pack. We're going to Grandma's. Yes, I am so happy. Me too. We will have fun. Yes, let's go.
I hope the kids waited for me to pack the bags. Oh no, this is a mess.
We can do it, Dad.
Yeah, let's close them.
No, they won't close.
It doesn't close. We have to start again. Fold the clothes.
Okay, Daddy. I can help.
Good. Don't forget the passport.
I have it, Dad.
What about the airport?
We check bags, then security.
James, Mia, come here, please. Look, I have new stickers for you. Hurry, they are so fun. Everyone gets a sticker for your suitcase.
Wow, a rocket.
Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, a sticker. Why do you have it?
It's for the airport, for your suitcase.
Cool.
Oh, I see.
Oh no, Mommy is coming. Close, please close. Too many toys. Almost there.
You can't take all the toys. We need space for clothes. It's important for the airport. Okay? We are staying 1 week, so we don't need many clothes. You can keep 1 toy if you want. Ready? Did we forget anything?
No, we have everything.
I'm ready.
Me too. Let's go.
Hey, Leo, want to come with us? Great, let's go.
Can the cat come on the airplane?
No, the cat can't go on the airplane.
Oh, okay.
Where is check-in?
I don't know. Let's look.
Is it there?
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
Hello, we are here. Hello, tickets please? Yes, here you are. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, the suitcases go on the belt.
Okay, Mommy.
Son, put your backpack on the belt.
No, I want to keep it. No, not my bag.
It's okay. It will be safe.
But I don't want to.
All done. See? Don't worry. Our bags go through a scanner, then we get on the plane.
A scanner? Is it safe?
Yes, very safe. There is a problem. A cat.
A cat? Oh no!
Our son must have put it there.
In the last bag.
No.
It must be our son.
I see. Please move along. I told you, no cat.
Sorry, Dad.
Keep him quiet.
I will. Sorry, Dad.
It's okay, son. Please put the cat inside.
We're boarding now. Let's go. Yay, I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Wow, the plane is so big.
Yes, and our seats are near the window.
I want the window seat. Me too.
Our seats are this way.
Okay, looking for the numbers.
Is it 13?
Yes.
Here.
Okay, kids, fasten your seatbelts.
Okay, Mommy. Are we taking off now?
Yes, very soon.
Mom, look out the window.
All right. They do look soft.
Like a big pillow.
A very big one.
Mom, the clouds look like candy.
They do. Are you excited?
Yes, but a little nervous.
It's okay. I'm here.
I'm worried about the cat.
Don't worry, the cat is safe.
Is the cat warm?
Yes, very warm.
Dad, have you taken a plane before?
Yes, but not many times.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's fun.
Yes?
Mom, can I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Papa, can I go with sister to toilet?
Yes, you can.
Let's play.
Okay, you chase me.
I'm fast.
Catch me.
Got you. Whee, this is fun.
Yeah, let's race.
Excuse me. Please sit down. It's dangerous.
Okay, sorry. Excuse me, where are our seats?
We can't find our parents.
Look, the seats are moving.
Help us, please.
I can't find our seats.
Me neither. Mom, Dad, what's going on? Whoa, turbulence. This is crazy.
I love you.
I love you too. Please sit down. We are landing soon.
Okay,
Ladies and gentlemen, we will land soon.
we're landing. I'm excited.
Yes, look at the lights.
It will be fun.
We are here. I am tired.
Yes, a long trip.
But we are here now.
Look, my cat. The cat. Is the cat okay? Yes, it is happy.
Good, we are all together. The flight was good.
Yes, very good.
I like the clouds.
Me too.
The food was good. My father is here.
He is? Where?
By the door, he is waving. Oh, yes, I see him.
Welcome. So happy to see you.
Hello, Grandpa. We missed you.
Oh, come here, my dears. Let's go, okay? To the car. Yes, let's go.
I'm happy.